Ready to give your phone the ultimate protection? Tough Armor Case for the Galaxy S7 Edge is here and ready to guard your device. Its slim and sleek profile with an added kickstand feature comes in 3 great colors that offer style, durability, and functionality. The case is combined with a hard polycarbonate exterior and flexible TPU interior that provides outstanding drop protection. Its flexible TPU is also built with air cushion technology for added security against bumps and falls. When placing the kickstand inside, slide in sideways and click it in. To secure the kickstand on your case, insert your device. Start by sliding in your phone and push in each corner for an exact fit. Make sure all buttons and port openings are aligned correctly. The case is designed to keep your phone's look and feel for a natural grip that's comfortable and convenient. The flush buttons are aligned perfectly along the case to keep it slim and smooth. Large cutouts for headphones, chargers, and speakers maintain the phone's functionality. Lift the kickstand and place on any flat surface for a hands-free, comfortable viewing angle. The raised bezels around the camera prevents your lens from scratching. Use your thumbs to push the outer corners and gently remove your phone. Keep it simple with the Tough Armor for the Galaxy S7 Edge. Thanks for watching!